welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something incredibly exciting, the return of a true American icon. Yes, it's 2025, and the Oldmobile Cutlass S71 is making a legendary comeback. For fans of classic American muscle and refined retro design, this car might just be the revival we've all been waiting for. Buckle up because we're going to explore every inch of this beast, from its aggressive exterior to its high-tech interior, blistering performance, and of course, whether it's worth the price. First, let's talk about the overall vibe of the S71. From the moment you see it, the 2025 Cutlass demands attention. It's a car that manages to blend old-school muscle car charm with futuristic aesthetics. The body lines are bold and muscular, paying homage to the Cutlass models of the late 60s and early 70s. The front fascia is wide and confident, with a modern interpretation of the classic split grille. LED headlights are seamlessly integrated into the design, and they've got that aggressive squint that says this car means business. You'll also notice the hood bulge, a nod to the high-performance heritage of the original S71, signaling there's something serious underneath. Around the sides, the stance is low and wide, giving it a planted, ready-to-launch posture. The wheel arches are pronounced, housing 20-inch forged alloy wheels that come standard with an option to upgrade to 22s. The side mirrors are sleek and aerodynamic, but also designed to evoke a vintage touch with their brushed metal finish. Around back, we get a fastback-style sloping roofline that gives the S71 a more coupe-like profile. The rear features quad exhaust tips and a sleek LED tail light bar that spans the entire width of the trunk. It's a perfect fusion of old-school muscle and modern luxury. Now, stepping inside the Cutlass S71, things get even more interesting. This isn't just a muscle car, it's a luxury experience wrapped in performance leather. The interior is beautifully crafted, featuring real aluminum and wood accents, with soft touch suede along the pillars and headliner. The seating is where comfort meets performance. You've got bucket-mile sports seats that hug you during high-speed maneuvers, yet they're fully heated, ventilated, and even offer massage functions in the front row. The seats are wrapped in premium Napa leather with contrast stitching and embroidered S71 badging that gives the cabin a bespoke feel. At the center of the dashboard is a curved 15-inch OLED infotainment display, running the latest version of GM's infotainment system, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and full integration with Amazon Alexa. There's also a secondary screen in front of the driver, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that's fully customizable. You can switch it between classic dials, performance metrics, or even a nostalgic throwback theme that mimics the look of analog gauges from the 1970s. Pretty sweet. A heads-up display projects key data onto the windshield, and yes, it's customizable too. Audio-wise, the Cutlass S71 comes standard with a 14-speaker Bose Performance Series audio system. It's crystal clear, and thanks to the car's quiet cabin and active noise cancellation, you'll be able to enjoy your music without any unwanted road noise. For those who want even more tech, you can opt for the Platinum Tech package, which adds a 360-degree camera, enhanced autopilot features, and semi-autonomous driving on highway. But we know what you're really here for. The performance. This isn't just a pretty face. Under the hood of the 2025 Oldsmobile Cutlass S71, you get a 6.2-liter supercharged V8, pumping out a jaw-dropping 680 horsepower and 650 lp-f. That power is delivered to the rear wheels via a 10-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. And if you're craving even more engagement, there's a 6-speed manual option available on the GT variant. The car launches from 0 to 60 in just 3.4 seconds, putting it right in the ring with modern-day challengers like the Dodge Challenger Hellcat and the Mustang Dark Horse. The ride is surprisingly refined. Thanks to a new adaptive suspension system, the S71 glides over bumps in tour mode and tightens up like a true track car in sport or track mode. Steering is precise with excellent road feedback, and the magnetic ride control keeps body roll to a minimum, even when you're throwing the car into sharp corners. Brembo brakes come standard on all trims, with massive 6-piston calipers up front and 4 pistons in the rear, providing confident, fade-free stopping power. Fuel economy? Let's be honest, no one's buying the Cutlass S71 for that. But still, it offers a respectable 17 mpg in the city and 25 on the highway thanks to cylinder deactivation and stop-start technology. It may not be a hybrid, but it's smarter about fuel than you'd expect for something with this much grunt. So how much does it cost? The base model of the 2025 Cutlass S71 starts at around $58,000, 0 cents. That gets you the full aesthetic package, solid performance, and plenty of tech. If you want the performance edition with the supercharged V8 and upgraded brakes, you're looking at around $72,000, 0 cents. Go all in on the GT Track Edition with manual transmission, carbon fiber trim, and racing-tuned suspension, and it'll run you close to $85,000, 0 cents. There's also a limited launch edition, only 500 units, with exclusive paint colors and serialized plaques that'll be around $95,000, 0 cents. Pricey, yes, but when you consider the performance, exclusivity, and nostalgic appeal, it's not outrageous. So, final thoughts? The 2025 Oldsmobile Cutlass S71 isn't just a revival, it's a statement. It honors the past without being stuck in it, combining muscle car soul with modern tech and comfort. Whether you're a longtime Oldsmobile fan or just someone looking for a unique high-performance ride, the S71 is one to watch. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Would you buy this over a Challenger or Mustang? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a ride. See you in the next one.